What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a little care package from Adams. Anyway, let's figure to do a quick video, the unboxing of the graphene ceramic. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes, full disclosure, I have a pink box cutter. I actually couldn't tell you why. Pretty excited to get into this. Watched a bunch of videos on it. Pretty excited. Bunch of packing. One thing at a time. Alright. Let's see what we got here. The Adams handheld UV light. Alright. The only other box is the money box. Alright. My receipt and some mints. Like they're flavored USA. Tastes like freedom. And obviously your Adams sticker. Cool. Here it is, the graphene ceramic coating kit. This bad boy up. Alright, and some latex gloves. Got a bunch of these laying around. Got an applicator pad, second applicator pad. Oof, there it is. All right. Ceramic boost. All right. A couple of spray bottles. All right. Surface prep. Cool. And what else do we got? We got a couple of towels in here. These feel very nice. Very plush. Weird material. And the plush Adams towel. That's the kit. 2 bottles, 2 spray nozzles, some gloves, a couple applicators. It's actually in a glass, a glass vial. That's pretty cool. All right, check out this UV light. A ton of bulbs, LED bulbs in there. I suppose I'm going to need some batteries in it. Batteries not included, folks. There you have it. The Adams graphene ceramic coating kit unboxed.